hyphen helps us separate the parts of words, i.e., son-in-law, forget-me-not, and also 53. Oh, what a rustic-looking house. I brought you to Haig-Brown Heritage House to talk about the hyphen. Roderick Haig-Brown was an author and conservationist. He was one of the world's authorities on fly fishing, and his riverside home offered him an opportunity to demonstrate his expertise. He once said, "Perhaps fishing is, for me, only an excuse to be near rivers. If so, I'm glad I thought of it." What a creative little gate. A hyphen is used within a sentence to show a separation between parts of a word. A hyphen is like a railway crossing sign. Just as a railway crossing sign tells you that there is a junction ahead, so a hyphen tells you that words are joined. A hyphen is more a mark of spelling than of punctuation. There are 7 ways to use a hyphen. One, a hyphen is used within a sentence to join parts of compound words. This rule can be inconsistent. For example, I have seen the word fly fishing with a hyphen, fly fishing as one word, and fly fishing as 2 words. When in doubt, always use your dictionary. Now, for examples of hyphenated words. Son-in-law. Son hyphen in hyphen law. Another example. These flowers are forget-me-nots. Forget hyphen me hyphen nots. Another example. Haig-Brown is a hyphenated name. Haig hyphen Brown. 2. The hyphen is used within a sentence to separate the syllables of a word divided at the end of a line. For example, Roderick Haig-Brown warned us of the consequences of exploiting nature. If I were to write this, I would end the first line with con hyphen and then begin the next line with sequences. Use this rule sparingly. If possible, avoid it altogether. I love the way this lawn slopes right down to the riverside. This property must have been such an inspiration for Haig-Brown. Three, the hyphen is used within a sentence to separate a prefix from a word beginning with a similar vowel. Oh, these willows are so pretty. This property has such a variety of trees. And this leads to my next example. Many of these wonderful old trees pre-exist the house? Because pre ends with the vowel E and exist begins with the vowel E, a hyphen is used between pre and exist. Another example. Let us re-enter the main garden. Because re ends with the vowel E and enter begins with the vowel E, a hyphen is used between re and enter. Now where's the latch? Four. A hyphen is used within a sentence to separate a prefix from a proper noun. For example, Roderick Haig-Brown was an ex-provincial court judge. The prefix ex is separated from the proper noun, provincial court judge, by a hyphen. Now we're in the old orchard of Haig-Brown House. Five. A hyphen is used within a sentence to avoid confusion with a different word. For example, oops. I recollect the apples. I recollect doing this in the past. Recollect means to collect again. Recollect means to remember. Recollect uses a hyphen to avoid confusion with the word recollect. Another example. Up I go. Ooh. Ooh. After I pick an apple for myself, I will resort the others. This is a small resort. Resort means to sort again. Resort means a holiday location. Resort has a hyphen to avoid confusion with the word resort. Delicious. That's good. And that brings us up to number 6. A hyphen is used within a sentence to express numbers and fractions in words. For example, Haig-Brown wrote 25 books on natural history and conservation. 25 is a number written in words, so a hyphen is used. Another example. 2/3 of this estate is wilderness. 2/3 is a fraction written in words, so a hyphen is used. And that takes us all the way up to number 7. A hyphen is used within a sentence to express time in words. For example, during the summer, tours of Haig-Brown House begin at 10:30 in the morning. 10:30 is time expressed in words, so a hyphen is used. Oh, here's a nice place to sit. Now, do the exercises in the workbook. Don't be absent-minded and forget to do them. Absent-minded uses a hyphen. Remember the railway crossing sign. It seems clear, beyond possibility of argument, that any given generation of men can have only a lease, not ownership, of the earth. And one essential term of the lease is that the earth be handed on to the next generation with unimpaired potentialities. Roderick Haig-Brown.